Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are here with a new experiment video. The experiment video is thermocol and nail polish experiment. So let's go into the video. We are going to put the nail polish on the thermocol, then you will see the reaction. So let's go into the video. I'm taking the nail polish and putting it on the thermocol. So guys, please see into the thermocol what happens and you see the reaction. Please see this side one.
See, the foam is melting. The thermocol is styrofoam and this nail polish contains acetone. So when this acetone is put over the thermocol, the foam melts down into residual polymers. So that is why this is happening. You can see the thermocol completely dissolving. See, it's melting. Yes, so this is what it happens when you put nail polish on thermocol.
So guys, you can see the reaction. Guys, you can see the hole has come, the big one, and the small one is just taking a little bit time. So the big one has come fast because that has more nail polish. So please subscribe our channel, click the bell button for more experiment video. Hope you like this video and like all our video, and bye.